Description: Thickening shampoo for fine, limp or color-treated hair. Benefits: gentle plant-based cleansers and organic botanicals help repair and revitalize hair. Suggested use: apply thickening conditioner after shampooing. Leave conditioner on for 1 to 3 minutes and rinse. Thicken your hair with natural and organic ingredients. Onesta Hair Care Thickening Shampoo's sulfate-free coconut, amino acids and sugar-based cleansers gently cleanse hair. Organic kelp and algae have high amounts of calcium to strengthen and thicken the hair fiber. They contain vitamin B1 and B2 to energize the scalp. Onesta Hair Care Thickening Conditioner's nutrient-rich formula utilizes organic extra virgin coconut oil to repair damage, provide a protective layer, sealing moisture into the hair. Organic Neptune algae and organic sea kelp delivers nutrient bodybuilding protein to limp and fine hair. Benefits: gentle plant-based cleansers and conditioners add body, volume, luster. Organic properties: aloe juice, kelp algae extracts. Natural fragrance: jasmine grapefruit peel. Nutrition: vitamin B1, B2 calcium. Size options: 16-ounce bottle and 32-ounce bottle with pump. How to use: gently cleanse damp hair with thickening shampoo, starting with scalp working through ends. Rinse thoroughly. Gently apply thickening conditioner to hair after shampooing with thickening shampoo. Leave conditioner on for 1 to 3 minutes and rinse. Follow with Hydro Moisture Mask for extra moisture. Top reviews from the United States. Loving Onesta. I loved Onesta's thickening shampoo and conditioner from the get-go. The fragrance is mild and so lovely, and it doesn't weigh my hair down or leave a film, like some volumizing, thickening haircare products can. My hair looks bright and shiny and it styles well, especially when I add the high boost volume mousse. Really can't recommended these products more. Thank you, Onesta.